When it comes to the switch type, optical mag switches works in a slightly different way compared to typical mechanical switches. Standard mechanical switches has two metal pieces that touch to send the signal, while optical mag switches employ a beam of infrared light inside the switch housing. When you hit the key, it will trigger the beam inside the board, which can immediately send the signal into the PC for a near-instant activation. Let's talk about debounce time. A standard mechanical switch requires a built-in debounce delay of generally 5 milliseconds to keep one key press from registering as several, due to the physical contact. Yet, optical mag switches is triggered by light beam. It eliminates the debounce delay and the speed is extremely fast, with only 0.2 milliseconds for its activation time, nearly no debounce delay. Long story short, for general usage, TUF Gaming K7 provides you a more competitive speed. Just like typical mechanical switches have many types of fill, the TUF Gaming K7 also provides different options, tactile and linear. You can choose depending on specific gaming scenario or for different types of fill. When comparing tactile and linear switches, tactile switch is more clicky and have feedback with an audible click, while linear switches has a rather smooth keystroke and without audible click feedback. Here is the example of how this switch sounds. Overall, optical mag switches are rated for up to 100 million clicks, which is twice the lifespan of traditional mechanical switches. In short, optical mag switches are faster and much more durable. Tactile switches require a little extra force to reach the tactile and operating positions, and have the same brief little return to reset position delay as linear switches. With optical mag switches, these two positions are reached at the same time and with less overall trouble. After activation, traditional linear switches must return to reach a reset position in readiness to register the next key press. As optical mag switches are activated by light, the reset and activation points are essentially identical, saving potentially vital fractions of a second with each key press. So you can rapidly move, crouch, jump, and change weapons faster and take down your enemy more easily.